I'm a sports psychology consultant, but it's covered so many different topics and industries, countries over the years, and I've discovered after many years, extensive decades of travel and research and working thankfully at a lovely high level, most things always come back to other people and your relationships with people. And in an ever quickening world, and it is very quick now, I think we are more connected than ever, but actually we talk less than ever. And that's where I might come in as an individual consultant with your team, with your organisation, at your conference, a place you can come to, of course, and understanding the value and nature of connection and talking in an absolutely hyper digital world is probably more important than ever. I've noticed, and I've done the full circle now of pre-digital, the emergence of digital, and now the absolute domination of the connected world, that people more than ever crave time and trust and safety. But the world doesn't create that now because it's so very fast, and we live our lives online, looking at a screen, and possibly we don't do enough of this, which is being outside privately, with or without that lovely animal that he can come to, and just talking problems through. And I've found over the years, more than ever, that the most remarkable moments in your life rarely happen in a formal setting or a formal environment. You have to unlock that now. And what is simpler than walking, talking, sitting privately with trust, with safety, and talking it through and working out for yourself? So I never tell people what to do. I don't fix people. I don't even advise people, but I will give them space and time to find out what they really think and what they want to do. And the simplicity of it is, I hope, the genius of it. And I'm often told, is it that simple? And I've worked out that it can be if we allow it to be.